So this is how you can adjust screen timeout on the iPhone. Let's get into it. First of all, you need to open up the settings naturally, and if you scroll down a bit more, you can find the display and brightness section. And in here, you can just turn up the brightness, switch to a true tone display or not, but also below you have a feature called auto lock. And this is technically the screen timeout. So it just means that you can pick from 30 seconds all the way to 5 minutes, and this is the interval after which your screen will just go black. I personally like to have it set to 5 minutes because it's pretty long and it doesn't mean that it just never goes black, because there is an option for it, of course, but just feel free to pick whichever option you wish. So that's how it works. Besides that, we don't really have any more options or ways to tweak it. So that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe for more, and I'm gonna catch you in the future.